Okay, so this video is a little long. I tried to edit it, but then I just fast forwarded and couldn't hear anything I was saying. So feel free to watch it in fast motion. But I do hope that it helps you and can use this better. Hi, welcome back to Erica's Hair on the Square at the Atrium. So today I'm going to do a blow drying tutorial with the Revlon one-step volumizing blow dryer. So a lot of my clients have purchased these and not really sure how to use them, so I thought I'd make a video. So I'm going to first start with my Moisture Repair by KMS. I usually use about a nickel's worth. Kind of run it through my hair so it kind of helps protect it from the heat. And then I'm also going to spray in my other favorite, the Tender Blow Dry Spray, just to help it dry a little faster. So 2 ways you can do this. I'm going to show you start to finish using my really wet hair. You could also start with blow drying it a little and then then using the volumizer. But I find that you get the most volume when you separate it and do it from wet to dry. So you can see I'm making my hair in 3 sections. And I'm just going to clip those out of the way so that they're not in my way. Typically I do my bangs first just because I want them to have some volume. So I'm going to go ahead and start. I'm going to put it on low first. Just turn this to low. I'm going to do just my bang area. So you can see this is like oblong. So it really gives you more volume and not just curl. So this is the point where I'm probably going to have to fast forward because it also sounds like it is a jet and it's going to take off. So just going to kind of not talk and let you watch. Now this does get very hot. So you don't want to burn your hair. Once it gets almost to dry, you go ahead and on the bottom like this, you can turn this to cool and pull it off, and that will set your style. You see how this section is really almost already dry, and that's where you're going to get the most volume. And you can also turn it this direction so you get kind of more of that wave up in. So this one's mostly dry now. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this to cool. And I'm going to let it cool off right in its steam. So I'm going to do the next section, same over here, and then I'll come back and do the middle. Okay, so you can see I've got this part done. So it really only took a few minutes, but get kind of boring to watch. Okay, so at this point in this section, you want to direct this hair away from your face. So I know a lot of you are used to going this way with your round brush, but in this instance, we want to go the other way. So I'm going to show you and then we'll fast forward that too. And by bringing this really off base right here and getting that oblong shape off of your scalp, you really build the volume, which is why it's called a volumizing. You also need to make sure you clean the hair out of this brush because it does get very hot, and the last thing you want is it to burn your hair. So this is pretty much dry. So now I'm going to use that, switch it to cool, and just let it cool off on that. And that really closes that cuticle. And then when it's nice and cool, you just kind of let it down and you get all that volume. So the hardest part is back here, obviously. So just kind of grab some hair and do the same thing. If you want to really build that volume, get that way up off your scalp. And then turn it back on to high. And then don't forget to cool off at the end. So I'll be right back and we'll finish the top. So a lot of my clients find this part very difficult. So just get your mostly dry and then turn it to cool. And just kind of keep spinning and keep it really off base. So that you're building that volume underneath here. And let it cool off on there. Now we're going to move to the top, probably the most important part if you like your volume. So I'm going to go ahead, I kind of part to this side, so I'm going to go ahead and take about most of this down, and this is where it gets really important to just get this other hair out of the way, because this is where I'm going to build my volume this way. It's really important to build your volume up right here. So here's how we do that. Just really get that off. See how far I am. So I'm building volume, not hair. Now, people say I have hands of steel, because if you try and grab this, it's going to be really hot. So this is pretty much almost dry, so I'm going to turn this to cool. And just let it cool off on there. Again, kind of going away from my face. So yet still building that volume. So again, in the back, people's biggest struggle area, but just keep pulling it up and get ready to just really build that volume. Okay, so now we're left with this top section. So I go ahead, I like to have my volume right in here. Now this does get very hot by now, so just keep in mind this hair up here is fragile. And it's gonna dry a lot faster because this blow dryer is really hot now. You see how I'm like completely pulling it like away from my scalp. And by it being oblong, it builds that right here. I'm just kind of gonna let it dry. You want to keep it moving because it is very hot. Now this is when you want to turn that dial to cool and go ahead and start letting it cool off. I'm just going to take this next section. Again. Some of it falls out, that's fine because we got one more piece to do anyway. And my hair's still pretty hot, so I'm going to go ahead and switch it to cool now. And then finish off with my part. If you part down the middle or the side, whatever you want to do, just make sure you build your volume that way. And again, I'm going really high up and over. And now I'm going to switch to cool and let that cool itself back off. So the good thing about going wet to dry is that basically now that I'm done, I don't even have to hardly use my flat iron, maybe to get these little pieces right here. But other than that, I have this like amazing volume. I can curl it, I can wear it straight for a day or two and then curl. And I mean, you're pretty much done. So, Revlon One Step Volumizing Hair Dryer. Again, you can use whatever product you like. I like the Moisture Repair Kinder Blow Dry Spray. I know I've been doing a lot of lash videos, so today I'm wearing my Wonderlash, and I'm really liking that look. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I know a lot of you have tried it, and it's just you got a learning curve. So, have a great hair day.